painted in 1856.
Oh my goodness. Look at that. Kind of a mean looking person, isn't it?
I mean, no, it's all the passing.
Oh my
Okay.
gosh, look at that. Wow. Yeah, that's something. Yeah, the holes in it.
Yeah.
It's torn up. Wow. That is amazing. They were just this far from going in the trash can.
Yeah, and you had a bravery just like to, maybe I need to try this guy just like to see what's actually, what actual restoration will bring.
That was amazing.
So it's your relatives, right? It's a family heirlooms.
Yeah, this one is, I think is a great-great-grandmother. Gigi Donan, born in 1814. So she was the mother or grandmother to my grandfather. So great-grandma.
Yeah, they're good. And let stickers on the back. So
Yeah, my mother was good at preserving some of this history. So, and this one, oh, Carolyn Hyde Butler. And it says it's done by T.B. Reed, Thomas Buchanan Reed, who was famous in 1856 or 57. Yeah, she was my grandfather's mother. I'm pretty sure. Huh. Yeah, I have some pieces of theirs from like their silver anniversary. Huh. Well, let's see what you got over here.
So you are impressed with how it's actually turned out?
Oh, phenomenal. I wouldn't have thought it possible.
Yeah.
Really? I would not have thought it possible.
Well.